Hello, I'm JY from Autonics JB office. So this video we would like to introduce this sliding handle as SFDL2-SD. Right now you can see this is the handle SFDL2-SD, and then this is the unit of SFDL2-PS60-M20. Alright, so right now this one I already dismantled the cover, and then you can see all the terminals here. So right now I'm insert the key. I insert the key, okay, and then I do a measurement. So for this part is for key, this part is for the solenoid valve on off. So right now I insert the key, so this 1, 2, 3 groups will be continuity. So right now I'm using the meter. Okay, alright, so here is nothing. Here is nothing because I not yet turned on. Of course here and here also not continuity. Alright, so only these two group will be continuity after power on. These two group, this and this is no. So right now I turn on the power. Okay, right now you can see the LED also nyala already. Okay, so right now here is continuity. Okay, here also continuity, here is continuity. So follow the circuit. This point and this point is continuity. This point and this point continuity. Here is no without shorts for these two group. Alright, only here and here. Okay, so right now I turn off the power. Turn off the power. Okay, I assume it as the door is open. The door is open, and then we have this another product as this padlock, and then I just click at here, and then this area I using a lock, manger or a lock to lock this, so you cannot remove, then you cannot insert here. Alright. And then right now this point also not continuity already. Okay, let me do a measurement for you. Okay, without the key. So here nothing, here nothing, and here nothing. Not continuity. Thank you.